Gaining weight healthily is about more than just eating more. It's about making mindful choices that nourish your body and provide the essential nutrients it needs. It's about nourishing your body with the right nutrients to support muscle growth, enhance energy levels, and promote overall well-being. This means focusing on quality over quantity. This journey starts with understanding your body's unique needs and creating a balanced diet plan tailored to those needs. Consulting with a nutritionist can provide valuable insights. Remember, weight gain is a gradual process. It requires consistency and patience. Quick fixes are often unsustainable and can be unhealthy. Be patient with yourself and celebrate your progress along the way. Every small victory is a step towards your goal. This essay will guide you through the essential elements of a healthy weight gain diet. We'll delve into the importance of macronutrients and micronutrients. We'll explore the roles of different nutrients such as proteins, fats, and carbohydrates, and how they contribute to muscle growth and energy. Offer practical tips for meal planning, including how to incorporate nutrient-dense foods into your daily routine. And emphasize the importance of exercise and professional guidance. Physical activity complements your diet and helps in building muscle mass. Remember, you are what you eat. The food you consume directly impacts your health and fitness. So, let's embark on this journey together and fuel your body for a healthier, stronger you. With the right approach, you can achieve your weight gain goals and improve your overall well-being. Protein is the building block of muscle tissue. It plays a vital role in almost every function of the body, from repairing cells to producing enzymes and hormones. When you consume protein, your body breaks it down into amino acids, which are the essential components needed for various bodily functions. These amino acids are then used to repair and build new muscle fibers, making protein crucial for anyone looking to increase muscle mass or recover from strenuous activities. If you're looking to gain weight or build muscle, it's crucial to include an adequate amount of protein in your diet. This helps ensure that your body has the necessary resources to grow and repair. Great sources of protein include lean meats, which are not only rich in protein but also provide essential nutrients like iron and B vitamins. Poultry, fish, and eggs are also excellent choices. Fish, in particular, offers the added benefit of omega-3 fatty acids, which are good for heart health. Dairy products such as milk and yogurt are not only high in protein but also provide calcium for strong bones. Beans are a versatile and plant-based protein source. Lentils and nuts are other great options, especially for those following a vegetarian or vegan diet. They are packed with protein and other essential nutrients. Aim to include a source of protein in every meal. This will help maintain a steady supply of amino acids throughout the day, supporting muscle growth and overall health. This will ensure a steady supply of amino acids to support muscle growth and repair, especially after workouts or physical activities. Remember, more protein doesn't necessarily equal more muscle. It's about the quality and timing of your protein intake. It's important to find a balance that works for your body and activity level. Overconsumption of protein can lead to other health issues. Consulting with a registered dietitian can help determine your individual protein needs, ensuring you get the right amount for your specific goals and lifestyle. Carbohydrates are your body's primary source of energy. They are broken down into glucose, which your muscles and other tissues use for fuel. When you consume enough carbohydrates, your body can effectively utilize protein for muscle building rather than energy production. Choose complex carbohydrates over simple carbohydrates. Complex carbohydrates like brown rice, quinoa, oats, and whole grain bread provide sustained energy release. Simple carbohydrates like sugary drinks and processed foods can lead to energy spikes and crashes, hindering your weight gain journey. Don't be afraid of carbs. They are essential for fueling your workouts and supporting overall health. The key is to choose the right types of carbs that provide lasting energy and support your weight gain goals. Healthy fats are crucial for hormone production, cell function, and overall well-being. They also provide a concentrated source of calories, which can be beneficial when you're trying to gain weight. Incorporate sources of healthy fats into your diet, such as avocados, nuts, seeds, olive oil, and fatty fish like salmon. These fats provide essential fatty acids that your body needs to function optimally. Avoid unhealthy fats like trans fats and excessive saturated fats. These fats can have detrimental effects on your health and hinder your weight gain journey. Stick to the good fats, and your body will thank you. Section 5. Crafting your weight gain meal plan. Creating a successful weight gain meal plan involves understanding your caloric needs and distributing your macronutrients, protein, carbohydrates, and fats, effectively throughout the day. This means not just eating more, but eating smart. Start by determining your daily calorie requirements. Knowing how many calories you need to consume to gain weight is the first step in your journey. This can be done using online calculators or by consulting with a registered dietitian. A professional can provide personalized advice based on your specific needs and goals. Once you know your calorie target, aim to divide your meals into 3 main meals and 2 to 3 snacks. This helps in maintaining a consistent intake of calories throughout the day, preventing long periods without food. Each meal should contain a good balance of protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats. Proteins are essential for muscle growth, carbohydrates provide energy, and fats are crucial for overall health. This will ensure a steady supply of nutrients throughout the day. Consistency is key in achieving your weight gain goals. For example, a balanced breakfast could include scrambled eggs with whole grain toast and avocado. This combination provides a good mix of protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates to start your day right. A protein-rich lunch could consist of grilled chicken salad with quinoa and a drizzle of olive oil. This meal is not only nutritious but also delicious, making it easier to stick to your plan. And for dinner, you could enjoy baked salmon with roasted vegetables and a side of brown rice. This meal provides a perfect end to your day, ensuring you get the necessary nutrients to support your weight gain journey. Don't forget to include snacks like nuts, fruits, and protein shakes between meals. These can help you reach your calorie goals without feeling overly full. Planning and preparation are crucial. Take time each week to plan your meals and snacks and make a grocery list to ensure you have all the ingredients you need. This will make it easier to stick to your meal plan and achieve your weight gain goals. Section 6. Smart snacking for steady progress. Snacking can be your secret weapon for gaining weight healthily. Strategic snacking helps you consume extra calories throughout the day, fueling your body and preventing excessive hunger between meals. But remember, not all snacks are created equal. Choose nutrient-rich snacks that provide a combination of protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats. Some great options include Greek yogurt with berries and granola, trail mix with nuts, seeds, and dried fruit, apple slices with peanut butter, hard-boiled eggs, and protein smoothies with fruits and vegetables. By incorporating these snacks into your daily routine, you'll provide your body with the extra calories it needs to gain weight healthily and sustainably. Section 7. Hydration, your weight gain ally. Water plays a crucial role in numerous bodily functions, including nutrient absorption, muscle function, and overall health. Staying adequately hydrated is essential for supporting your weight gain journey. Aim to drink water consistently throughout the day, especially before, during, and after workouts. You can also incorporate other hydrating beverages like unsweetened tea, milk, or low-sugar sports drinks. Remember, thirst can sometimes be mistaken for hunger. If you're feeling peckish, try drinking a glass of water before reaching for a snack. You might find that you were simply thirsty, not hungry. Section 8. The exercise edge, boosting your gains. While nutrition is paramount for weight gain, incorporating regular exercise into your routine can significantly enhance your results. Exercise, particularly strength training, helps stimulate muscle protein synthesis, leading to increased muscle mass and strength. Focus on compound exercises that work multiple muscle groups simultaneously. These include squats, deadlifts, bench presses, and overhead presses. Aim for 2 to 3 strength training sessions per week, allowing for adequate rest between workouts. Consult with a certified personal trainer to create a safe and effective workout plan tailored to your fitness level and goals. Remember to start gradually and gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts as you progress. Section 9. Listen to your body, consult your doctor. Every individual is unique, and what works for one person may not work for another. It's crucial to listen to your body and consult with your healthcare provider before making any significant dietary or lifestyle changes. Your doctor can assess your overall health, identify any underlying medical conditions that may be hindering your weight gain, and provide personalized recommendations tailored to your specific needs. Remember, weight gain is not a one-size-fits-all approach. Working closely with your doctor ensures a safe and effective journey toward achieving your desired weight and improving your overall well-being. Section 10. Weight gain is not a race, it's a journey. Gaining weight healthily takes time and consistency. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. It's important to stay patient, stay committed to your plan, and focus on making sustainable lifestyle changes. Celebrate your successes along the way, no matter how small they may seem. Every pound gained, every workout completed, and every healthy meal choice is a step in the right direction. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about progress. Embrace the journey, stay dedicated, and you'll reach your weight gain goals in due time. Section 11. Embrace the process. Embarking on a weight gain journey is a commitment to yourself and your well-being. It requires patience, dedication, and a willingness to make sustainable lifestyle changes. Remember that you are capable of achieving your goals. Focus on nourishing your body with nutrient-rich foods, engaging in regular exercise, and listening to your body's needs. Embrace the process, celebrate your successes, and never hesitate to seek guidance from healthcare professionals. Your health is a precious gift. Cherish it, nurture it, and enjoy the transformative journey of healthy weight gain.